My wife found this program. She's actually the reason that I ended up here. She found the program, was able to get me funding to come here.
We teach people to work in manufacturing plants. And so the basic mechanical stuff, which I teach, is more or less the same. The biggest changes has been in the controls area, the PLC, the robotics and automation.
So a lot of the things, of course, I work in the automation field, so of course I like the electrical side of things. They had everything from conduit bending and basic wire running, but that's not the only thing that helped me go further in the field I'm in now. Having a good base understanding of how hydraulic systems work, mechanical drive systems and things like that in the engineering field also has helped me better understand ways to make equipment run better from my point of view on the automation side, if I know how the other side works as well.
Yeah, Casey's a good example of a great student. Number one, he had the desire. If you want it, we can teach it to you. If you don't want it, you're wasting, our time and your money. If you want it, you can learn it. He proved that. He also made a good student because he was married and had kids. And so he was very mature. He understood, I've got to do something to make more money. I've got to do better for my family.
This made the difference from a $40,000 to $50,000 a year to breaking 6 figures a year. It changed my life for the better, for sure.